The deaths of 27 people in the TRP gaming zone fire tragedy in Rajkot, Gujarat is absolutely gut wrenching and extremely saddening. This fire tragedy, coupled with the Morbi bridge collapse tragedy, coupled with the 2019 Surat coaching class fire tragedy, and also read in conjunction with the recent hoarding collapse in Ghatkopar, shows the deplorable extent to which urban local governance in India and Indian cities has fallen. India's municipal governance is disgraceful. Zero accountability. Each posting in a municipality, Zilla Parishad or municipal corporation is weighed in the amount of money on that post. It will be no surprise if the news comes out that these postings are sold to the highest bidder. Which is why these municipal officers, the local administration officers, when they come, every place in India, they just see how much money I will make. Fire safety thrown in the dustbin. Urban greenery and environment thrown to the dogs. Zero interest in the quality of life of people, and only focus is sycophancy and personal advancement. When the TRP gaming zone fire tragedy happened in Rajkot, clearly there are reports that the necessary approvals were not there and so and so. Then someone from the government says that it is not our responsibility, it's a temporary thing. The fact remains that under development control regulations, even if a structure is a temporary construction, the permission is required. And not just that, we have to apply two key principles here: the precautionary principle and the doctrine of public trust. When we look at the precautionary principle, the onus is on the builder or the project proponent to show that his proposed construction, whether permanent or temporary, will not cause any loss of life or endanger health and fire safety of the people. Likewise, under the doctrine of public trust, the local municipal officers, the CEO of the local municipal corporation, the local district collector and so on, the local police in charge, they are duty bound to ensure that the public good is maintained, that the right to life of the people is protected, and the legitimate expectations of the people of India are fulfilled. However, the Rajkot fire tragedy once again shows what a can of garbage India's municipal and urban local governance is. Police does not care, because for every approval there is a price tag. And not just that, fire safety comes with a cash component. Temporary, even if the organizers probably had the necessary permits, that would have been just a paper exercise. Signature कर दिया, stamp लगा दिया, लो ले जाओ, और table के नीचे से पैसे दे दो. It goes without saying that these malpractices take place in virtually every urban locality within India. Clearly, there is no accountability for the typical municipal officials, right from the ward officer or the division officer, whatever the designations are. They never audit any public entertainment venue or any public assembly building with a genuine intention to protect the life of the people. Does the head of the local municipality think, oh, this fair is coming up, this event zone is coming up, let me go and see that there should be no tragedy? Nothing. The Morbi municipality, when the bridge collapsed, did nothing. They so shamelessly said, we had given it on contract, that's it. How many arrests of the government officials took place? How many criminal prosecutions of the public officials who turned a blind eye towards duty took place? One needs to find out. Because the fact of the matter is that public officials at the municipal level in India don't care. Secondly, when we look at the government at the state levels and the national level, you will observe and find that most of the time they want to showcase the large scale achievements. हमने 1 लाख करोड़ का एक्सप्रेसवे बनाया, हम 50,000 करोड़ रुपए का पोर्ट बना रहे हैं। अरे सर जी, थोड़ा पास के लोकल प्रोजेक्ट्स का भी तो देखो। कोई 5 करोड़ का लोकल हॉस्पिटल बना दीजिए, 1 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट कर दीजिए इन प्रॉपर अर्बन लोकल ओवरसाइट एंड गवर्नेंस। वो सब इनको नहीं करना, बिकॉज फॉर द मेगालोमेनियक लीडर्स इन पावर, big projects are a source of prestige. They boost their ego, and the bigger the project, the bigger the commissions you get. There's no doubt about that. The repeated losses of life in tragedies in urban India, especially tragedies in urban India, Ghatkopar hoarding collapse, Morbi bridge collapse, the Rajkot fire tragedy, Surat coaching class tragedy, innumerable, just shows that the attention of policymakers towards ensuring that the local administration, which caters to the immediate wants of the citizens, is accountable. They just don't care. I strongly call upon the people of India to be more and more vigilant about your constitutional rights. Start holding your elected as well as your non-elected bureaucratic officials accountable. Today, it has all boiled down to your right to life. You go to malls, you go to restaurants. Who knows whether that will become the next Laksha Griha or not? I therefore call upon you all to spread the word and ensure that the menace of apathy and corruption, which has plagued public administration in India, should now see the end of its days. I am Advocate Aditya Pratap, and thank you all.